Here's how to unblock emails in Gmail in 2026. If this video helps you, don't forget to subscribe for more quick Gmail tutorials. First, open Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, click the gear icon, then select See All Settings. Now, at the top menu, click on Filters and Blocked Addresses. This section shows everyone you've blocked in Gmail. Find the email address you want to unblock. Next to it, click Unblock, then confirm by clicking Unblock again. If you're still not receiving emails, scroll to your filters. Make sure there isn't a filter deleting or archiving emails from that sender. That's it. The sender is now unblocked, and their emails will arrive normally again.